For every student who was planning to go to the UK, this is a great news. Nowhere would you need 10 years to actually get a permanent residency. So ILR will not happen in 10 years now. We knew that the permanent residency of UK was going to be changed from 5 years to a 10 years requirement, but the House of Lords has challenged the UK government in 5 points, and they've made them realize that they need to reconsider and actually revoke this proposal. Let me tell you all the 5 points. The first thing is they've said that this rule of 10 years is actually very harsh in any high earning economy. Nowhere would you need 10 years to actually get a permanent residency. And hence, this makes UK very backward in the new age of globalization. And the second point is if you apply this to somebody who's already here in the UK, that is not fair because they have already been made a different promise that they will get ILR in 5 years. Thirdly, it will also harm the integration of immigrants into the society because now they are skeptical about the government policy that they can change anytime. And number 4 is that the cost for getting a permanent residency will actually significantly go up because now from 5 to 10 years, those extra 5 years, they will have to pay their IHS and they will have to pay extra for the work permits. And lastly, number 5, which is the most shocking one, that the UK government has no data. All the immigrants that have come previously, have they actually gone back or are they still staying? This is crazy that this level of information is not with the government. And they are still making tweaks in the rules just based on popular opinion. So guys, this is great news. It is not a law yet, but the House of Lords is fighting against the UK government to make sure that your interests are protected. And if you are looking to study in the UK, you should be happy about it.